Hello, welcome to the Wisconsin Canoe Heritage Museum. Have you been here before?
No, I haven't. Are you open?
Well, I'm afraid we're closed right now, but I tell you what, since you're here, come on around with me to the back door and let's see if we can sneak inside and see what's going on today.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Well, welcome to the Wisconsin Canoe Heritage Museum. We're at the back door of the workshop here at the museum. Let's go inside and see what's happening.
Hey, Jed.
Well, hello, Mike.
How are you?
Good. You here working on the shop today?
I am.
What are you up to?
Putting a Band-Aid on right now.
Putting a Band-Aid on.
Stuff happens, you know.
Other than that, though, you look like you got a good project going here.
Yeah, this will be our Raffle Canoe for 2021.
The Raffle Canoe.
Yeah, that's one of our big fundraisers for the museum is our annual canoe raffle. So this is a 16-foot kind of, it's not for novices, let me put it that way. It'll be fairly fast, a little bit tippy for people that aren't used to canoeing a lot. And right now I'm doing the most thankless part about building a cedar-canvas canoe is you have to reset all the nails so they don't show through the canvas. You have to hit them hard enough to put a big dent in the wood, and then you steam that to get it out again, to get the dents out.
So you've got a little special tool down there, I see, for
it's a
that.
clinching iron, and it's shaped so that it fits nearly anywhere, well, actually anywhere in the curve of the grip. So, just to demo a little bit. Give it a little tap to find out right where that iron is, make sure it's where it's supposed to be. First thing you do when you do this is take your hat off, because it'll fall off anyway. It's really helpful to have long arms.
So you've got the canoe right side up right now, but you build them, you start with them upside down, right, on a form?
Right, form's over here. This is the form that I built this canoe on. This was donated by Jerry Carbon. And he took the lines for this form from a Rushton Indian girl, a 16-footer. John Henry Rushton was a very, very good canoe builder. So all we can do is hope that ours will handle a little bit as like a real Rushton. So.
And this is for like a standard cedar canvas style construction canoe.
Right, it's really old technology. It actually goes back to the birch bark days, late 1800s probably, mid to late 1800s. The parts of the canoe, the inwales fit in here. It's a 7/8 by 3/4 inch piece that extends out beyond. And then the stem, which is bent, fits in this slot. And then these metal bands are where the ribs go. So we soak and steam the ribs, bend them over the form, and nail them right onto the inwale. And when you get all that done, you put the planking on. I think there's a piece of planking laying here. The planking goes on this way, so you end up with a canoe.
So I think some of our displays out there kind of describe how this is done upside down
Right.
from the inside out. You start with the ribs, then the plank, and then the cover goes on
Exactly.
at the end.
Exactly.
Whereas the Native Americans built birch barks the opposite, right side up, and then from the outside in. They started with the bark.
Right, laying on the ground, got it. They put a form over it, kind of a canoe-shaped form that shaped the bottom of the canoe, and then they soaked it with hot water, and then pulled the bark up and staked it to hold it upright while they were lacing it to the unwells.
So kind of two different ways to get at the same kind of design, same construction design, the ribs, planks, and cover.
Right. Right.
All right, what do we have in this hat here?
Oh, you'll have to tell me. We had an event for Canoecopia, and there were prizes to give away.
Yeah, Canoecopia was virtual this year, last weekend, and we had a promotion going, and we had, I think, 225 people sign up for our promotion, so we're going to pull a name out of a hat for the winner of a canoe seat pad and bag.
Terrific.
From Frost River.
I should look in there.
Mix them up a little bit, yeah, and
I'll
pull
do
one
that.
out for me, will you?
We'll stir them around. You ready?
I'm ready.
We got one. Two, rather. Come on, let go. I want to take that top one. And it says, Dennis Bayer.
All right. Put it down in the canoe there, and we can just
There we go.
verify that. All right, Dennis Bayer. We'll get a hold of him, and congratulations. And
Yeah, I have one of those canoe seats that's, from Frost River, right?
yeah,
Yeah, they're very nice.
this particular one has the museum logo on it.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for the help, and we'll let you get back to the canoe work here to get that raffle. We're going to have this raffle going later this summer by our opening day, which will be May 29th this year for our Canoe and Wooden Boat Show. And hope you all can come and see the Wisconsin Canoe Heritage Museum at that time. All right, bye, Mike.
Take care.